Welcome to Tiana Blanco channel, and let me tell y'all right now, I am excited because I like doing stuff like this. I like sharing, I like helping others with their business, okay? Not your small business, your business, because there is so much things, so just amount of shit that goes into a small business that it doesn't make it small anymore. So we're gonna jump straight into it. So what you want to do is get out your iPad, your iPhone, your Android, whatever electronic you're using. We're gonna go to the App Store and we're gonna download Pixar. Any apps that I am showing you, I am not getting paid. I am not getting another dollar in my bank account for promoting their app. This is free game. So let's start off with PicsArt. PicsArt. So you want to go to your app store, and we are going to go to search. Type in PicsArt. P-I-C-S-A-R-A-R-T. Should be the first one. PicsArt is so easy to navigate, okay? So we're gonna hit open. Let's open up the app. I prefer to use it on, okay, wait. Allow app, not the track. Allow access to all photos. So look, you just want to scroll all the way up and you want to hit this. Color backgrounds, we want this background. What this background will do is that it will not show the image behind it, okay? So sometimes when you're doing a logo and you see a white box wrapped around your logo and you're trying to get rid of that box, this is where this comes into play. So you want to download this. It's like a okay, so now you want to open up the app. PicsArt, open. You want to scroll all the way up, and we want to hit this background, color background. You want to hit this one. This is a transparent background. What a transparent background is that it will be transparent. So whenever you're saving your logo, sometimes a mistake that a lot of people make is that with their logo will be a white box wrapped around it, and it's not transparent, and you're trying to get rid of So a lot of mistakes that people do when saving a logo is that they will save it with the white background, and now once you save your logo, that white background is like a box and it just looks crazy and you want to get rid of it. This is how we're going to get rid of it. So you want to use the transparent background. So now I'm going to do a voiceover. So what you want to do, we want to click sticker. Sticker is going to give you a lot of things to help you out for your logo. I'm typing in skincare, and I'm going to choose that one on the bottom. Yes. And then we're going to hit the plus sign, and we want to hit text. Now we want to write our own text, whether it's by skincare by so-and-so, whatever your name of your company is, that's what you want to place on your logo, okay? This way, everybody knows what it is. Then now we're going to play with some fonts because we want to spice it up. Now you want something that is simple that people can read and don't have to squint their eyes to understand what it says. So this is just going to be an example of what I'm doing. And you guys can always slow this video down. So I'm going to do skincare by Lady. Now we're going to change the color, and you just hit color, and you have several options of colors. Trust me, you will play around with this app. I just want to show you the basics and just how to get started.
So you just want to adjust, make sure everything is lined correctly. So you're going to hit apply and then hit next. And then we're going to hit save, download photo. And now it will be saved to your photos. We went to stickers. Now I'm going to type in hair at the keyword search bar. And now we're going to look for some hair. Okay, this one is outstanding to me. If somebody sell hair bundles or colors hair, this is perfect. So hit the plus sign. And then we're going to hit sticker again. And I feel like I want her to have a tiara. So we're going to type in tiara. I'm just trying to give you guys different options to play around with. So we're going to crown her with the tiara. Hit the plus sign. Hit the text. And now we are going to write, what am I going to write? Beyond the hair. Yeah, that's what we're going to write. Listen, y'all, I'm just like randomly just doing this shit. I cannot really think of a unique name, but we're going to use beyond the hair. And we're going to change that black text. So we're going to hit color. And we're going to make it kind of pop with the hair color. So you just want to play around with the colors and the fonts. And then once you find something that suits your needs, perfecto. So I'm going to play around. We're going to use this font. And I'm just going to adjust it to where I want it to align with the hair. Play around with the color a little bit more. Then I'm going to hit stroke. And as you can see, it just gave it more of a texture and it outlined the words. Now, once we're done, we're going to hit apply, apply, next, save. Boom. Easy peasy. Now we're going to move on to another one. This way, you guys have options. So we went to sticker. I typed in gold frame. And this is kind of cool. I feel like this is for like interior, event planning maybe. So we're going to hit plus, text box, type in whatever you want. I'm going to type in Dorcines. Yeah, Dorcine Designs. That's going to be this logo. And remember, once again, you can hit font, change up the lettering. So we have Doreen. Then I'm going to type designs. And in this particular logo, we are going to learn how to change not only the color, but a color that you specifically have. Image box. So I saved this image from Google, some gold glitter. And as you can see, it changed it to gold. The gold glitter. So if you like sparkles, go on Google, type in sparkles, save it, and you can make that to be your color. So this one is for a painter. So I hit paint. I kind of like these 4 colors, and we're going to, I needed something to be a little bit less feminine, more a little bit masculine, or, you know, so this one is for the fellas probably. And then I'm going to type in painted, and we're going to keep this one cute, but yet it just stands out. Like, it just stands out. So I like this font for when I see painted, painter, whatever. We're going to play around with the colors. And then I am going to go in. Oh, yeah. So look, once you hit color, you can hit texture. And that also has different textures and colors. So this one stands out. Then I'm going to hit interior, exterior. I'm just trying to give you guys so many options. So this looks very nice and clean, but I want to add a little bit more. So I'm going to sticker and I'm going to put in a paintbrush. I feel like I want a paintbrush. So we're going to scroll up. Booyah, found it, clicked it, and now I'm going to add that. So I want to get rid of that hand, right? So you want to click the image. So I'm clicking on the paintbrush, and then on the bottom it will say select, erase. We're going to hit erase, and I'm just going to slightly remove that hand, and then hit the checkbox on the top. And look, voila, I love it. Apply, next, save, and there you go.